So this video is gonna feel like deja vu. And it kind of is deja vu, but it's a good deja vu, guys. I have a bag review, but it's kind of also like an unboxing. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. My name is Misha and I upload videos on Sundays around luxury, lifestyle, beauty, and fashion. So if you're here for that, let's go, guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so below. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And also follow me over on Instagram to see in real time these things, because you're kind of late if you're getting this, if you're seeing my new bag on this video. Let me talk to you a little bit about what I'm wearing today. This top is from Zara. I love Zara. You can just, I know it's, you can find some good things in Zara. You know, you can certainly get into that habit of just buying too much, and I'm definitely pulling away from that this year, but this is one of the quality pieces that I've had now for a couple seasons and I love, and I think it just makes an impact. My jewelry is the same Cartier Love ring. This is a J. Crew ring. These are Chanel hoops that I really love. It has like the classic CC on it, and it also has like the it like mimics the chain detail of the bag. That I really like that. But this is a new bangle, and this is actually why I'm talking about my jewelry. I got this from Cost this weekend, and it was like 50 bucks. And it looks really good, feels super heavy. And I wish I bought two, but I only bought one. But it's so pretty, and I've gotten a lot of compliments on it. My scent of the day is Carmina, guys. I can't stop talking about this enough. I've gotten so many compliments on this perfume. If you haven't tried it out, go ahead and just ask for a sample at Neiman's or Saks, Nordstrom, wherever you get your perfume from. Go ask them for a sample of Carmina by Creed, because it's fantastic. All right, guys, so last week I did an unboxing, and it was of the white Chanel Kelly, and I said I really wanted the black one, and let me just close it so that you guys can see it. So excited. So my SA called me and she's like, hey Mish, I know you really wanted the black one and we have one. Do you want it? And because it's, like I said last week, if they have a new rule in Chanel that if it's a new bag, you have to go there and buy it in person within the first week. After the first week, then they can ship it to you. Well, it was after the first week, and so she was able to ship this to my house, and guys, I got it! So last week's video was more of an unboxing. This week's video is more of a review, because I got this bag and I took her out on the town this weekend. And so I'm going to show you what it fits. I'm going to let you know how it is and if it lives up to the hype. I still haven't worn my white one yet because of the season. I'll probably wait till summer, spring to wear it, but I was able to take her out right away. This, guys, is, I think, believe the hype. It is so beautiful. It is so versatile. I wore it day, I wore it night, and I got so many compliments on it. Of course, you know, everyone was like, how'd you get it? How'd you get it? And I had to thank my SA. Thank you so much. All right, guys, so I'm gonna pop in like just a little unboxing video like in one of these corners while I talk to you about what fits in the bag, because I was not able to do that last time. If you know me at all, then you know this is my holy grail. So my mini pochette, I put everything that I need into this mini pochette, and then I put this in bags, and this fits in there completely. So let me show you what's in my mini pochette. I have my car keys are in there. I have 2 lip glosses in there. So if you want to know what they are, this is the Dior Lip Glow Color Reviving Balm in Raspberry, and then this is the Dior Plumping Lip Plumper in 066. So sometimes I mix them today. I have my Kate Spade little card holder. I have some coins in there, and I have an air tag. So all that fits in here quite nicely. And then what I did was I put that whole thing in here. So this is just like the white bag. So if you want to see like a full review of the bag itself, you can go ahead and watch that video from last week. But that fits in quite nicely. And I just have to put it on my lap to close it, but takes a little bit of tugging, but it closes, and I don't feel like it's being like distorted any at all. Of course, you can carry this top handle. I'll pop in a video of that, crossbody. With that mini pochette inside, I'm not able to put my phone inside. But if I do it the other way, then I can put my phone inside. So let's say I just remove this, take out the card holder, drop that in, put my phone inside. That goes in pretty nicely. So I definitely need my keys. Put that in. So that's what it's looking like. And then let's take a lip gloss. Let's take both lip glosses. So I'm kind of squeezing it a little to get it closed. And it closes nicely and it's not distorted. So the reason I like the mini pochette is, God forbid one of my lip glosses closed. This is canvas, it's able to take it a hit more so than this lambskin leather bag. And then I always have to go get my phone, and I don't want to always have to reach in and go get my phone. So for the most part, I held my phone in my hand all weekend, and then I just put everything else in the mini pochette. That's my personal preference. But if you prefer to keep your phone in your bag, then obviously you could do it the other way around. But I personally like it this way. So am I happy with my purchase? Am I happy that I bought the same bag in 2 different colors within a matter of weeks? The answer is yes. Am I going to keep the white one? That was the biggest question. That was the biggest question to people who knew I had both now. Are you going to keep the white one? The answer is yes, because this bag is so pretty. It's so versatile, and I know that when they release it again later this year, there's going to be a price increase. So arithmetically, if that's a word, girl mathematically, it just makes sense for me to buy it now and have it. On the resale sites, these are going for almost double what I paid for it. So it won't always be that way. I don't buy my bags to sell them back. I've never sold a bag. I keep my bags, I hold on to them, and because I like them. So I just think they're beautiful, and I'm so happy to have them in both colors. All right, guys, let me know what you think of my insanity. Do you think it's insanity, or do you think it's the right thing to do to hold on to both these bags? And if you have them, let me know what you think of it. I absolutely love it so far. I've only brought the black one, but the white one is going to be exactly the same, except with the chore of keeping it clean. That's a beautiful bag. That's a beautiful bag. All right, guys, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Don't forget to like this video if you like this video, and go over to Instagram and follow me at thestylemd.com. All right, guys, bye. Bye.